Let's talk about LiveFresh Premium Fine Mesh Stainless Steel Strainer with non-slip handle for quinoa, tea, soup, sifting, baking, straining 512-inch. Comfortable, non-slip, heat-resistant handle. Comfortable soft touch grips allow you to strain your food easily while maintaining control in slippery conditions and protecting your hands from burns. Excellent for those who struggle with arthritis. Durable stainless steel construction. This is the toughest medium-sized strainer available. All welds and joints are inspected for quality and strength to eliminate the possibility for breaks or failures. These strainers will last a lifetime, guaranteed. Premium, very fine stainless steel mesh, for straining the smallest ingredients, including quinoa, soups, loose-leaf tea, fruit smoothies. This sturdy steel mesh is tough, pliable, and maintains its form throughout its life. Easy to clean design. Never get food stuck in between the rim and mesh again. Our sealed rim design features a smooth, rounded finish that blocks food particles from becoming lodged between the mesh and the rim. 100 dishwasher safe, simple to clean by hand. This strainer is designed to handle regular daily use. Full LiveFresh 100 satisfaction warranty. If there are any issues with your purchase, you can simply return your product and receive a full refund or replacement unit, whichever you prefer. No questions asked, for as long as you own. I brought this to strain the coffee grounds from my cafetiere to stop them clogging the sink. It's great, catches all the grounds, making it perfect for the job. Really good quality and would buy from the seller again. Very happy with my purchase. Excellent for straining my steeped herbs, easy to clean, durable, and doesn't stain like the plastic ones I have been using. Pleased to have found this and will be looking at their other products. This may be small, but it works well. I used to waste lots of rice while washing, but not anymore. Not a single grain gets through. Very happy with purchase.